Roberts traffic, Cessna 770 here, departing runway 16, Point Roberts.
Welcome area traffic. Foxtrot Key, the hotel is level at 2,500 en route for Gillies Bay.
Quantum base traffic, jump airplane, hot engine.
Victoria Terminal, Cessna 150, November 8077 Sierra, VFR request.
November 8077 Sierra, go ahead.
Cessna 77 Sierra just departed Point Roberts. Request flight following in class Charlie transit to Kilo Bravo Victor Sierra.
77 Sierra, squawk 4374, and what altitude would you like to Skagit?
Cessna 77 Sierra, squawk 4374, and requesting to climb to 3,500.
Sierra, radar identified, and 3,500 to Skagit, approved.
77 Sierra, thanks.
Victoria Terminal, Zulu India Hotel. I'd like to drop to 4,000 to avoid some clouds ahead.
Zulu India Hotel, altitude's your discretion, now below 3,000.
Now below 3,000, Zulu India Hotel.
How long does the landing or the airport have to be on it?
It depends on how high the airport is and what the winds are and how heavy the plane is.
Oh, okay.
But, I mean, yesterday, Noah and I landed at Seattle and we used less than 400 feet of runway.
Really?
Yeah. That airport was 2,200 feet.
Oh, it was, oh, that's super cool.
So on this flight, we're not actually going over Canada at all, but we're talking to Canadian air traffic controllers.
Oh, how does that work?
They use this airspace for some airports that go into Canada, or some airports in Canada, so sometimes they need to use it so it's easier for the U.S. just to let Canada use this airspace.
Are there usually a lot of planes?
Not really. It depends though. Like this actual like area is not, where we are now isn't a ton of stuff, but.
How big does the body of water have to be in order to fly over it? Or like to wear a life jacket? How big does it have to be?
I like to wear life jackets whenever we couldn't glide to land if the engine died.
Yeah. Is it like, never mind. When did you start, driving?
When I was really little, but I got my license in high school.
Oh. How old do you have to be to get a license?
16 to solo, and then you can get your license when you're 17.
Oh, wow.
Hoover departure, Diamond Star Foxtrot, Mike Whiskey, 300 feet.
Foxtrot, Mike Whiskey, Victoria Terminal, radar identified, climb 3000.
Mike Whiskey, climb 3000. Victoria Terminal, Zulu India Hotel. I'd like to begin a descent for Hudson Island.
Zulu India Hotel, descent to 3000 is approved.
Descent to 3000, Zulu India Hotel.
Zulu India Hotel, further descent's approved, radar service terminate, so I'll clear you en route. See ya.
Zulu India Hotel, thanks for your help.
did you get this plane?
Mike Whiskey 3000.
Almost 2 years ago.
Mike Whiskey, Roger, clear direct FM.
Direct FM, Mike Whiskey.
You want to try flying a little bit?
Sure.
Okay.
Whoa.
Climb. You can try turning right a little. So there's the Orcas Island Airport. Yeah, you see the Orcas Airport over there?
Yeah.
And go a little bit more that way. I'm going to show you the rudders, so that's what feet do, right?
Oh.
So that's the rudder in the back.
Whoa. Whoa.
Victoria Terminal, November 2 Bravo with you just west of Lummi Island with request.
Sirius November 2 Bravo, squawk 0055, go ahead.
0055 requesting flight following for maneuvers to Bravo.
Sorry, November 2 Bravo, where would you like to go?
2 Bravo is going to stay around Cherry Point to do some practice maneuvers and maybe practice approaches.
November 2 Bravo, roger. November 2 Bravo, radar identified, Bellingham altimeter 3001.
3001, 2 Bravo.
Whiskey Yankee Charlie, how you doing there?
We're just about to give you a call. We're good for the full procedure, or localize if possible into altitude.
So that
Whiskey Yankee
tank
Charlie,
line
turn
is
left
where we want to
the
go.
Abbotsford NDB.
Left direct Abbotsford NDB, Whiskey Jones.
So that's direct to the airport.
November 2 Bravo, not above 4,000 for now, please.
Not above 4,000. November 2 Bravo.
Roger. Whiskey Yankee Charlie, reaching the Abbotsford NDB. You cleared full procedure, localizer 07 approach, not below 3,000 full procedure, turn inbound.
So terminal Whiskey Yankee Charlie, upon reaching approach NDB, we're cleared for the full procedure localizer 07 approach, not below 3,000.
Whiskey Yankee Charlie, all correct, not below 3,000 until procedure, turn inbound.
Not below 3,000 until procedure turn inbound.
Roger. 77 Sierra, possible traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, slow moving, westbound, type and altitude unknown, no transponder.
77 Sierra, thanks again.
77 Sierra, it's about a mile off the eastern tip of Orcas Island there.
77 Sierra, roger.
Mike Whiskey, contact Vancouver departure 132.3.
132.3, Mike Whiskey. Departure, good afternoon, Challenger, Charlie Foxtrot Golf, Romeo Sierra, 2,000, landing 3,000.
Challenger Fox Golf, Romeo Sierra, Victoria Terminal identified, climb 7,000, leaving 3,000, direct walk, come on course.
Okay, so passing will climb 7,000 and passing 3,000 will go direct. Take a on course, Golf Romeo Sierra.
Golf Romeo Sierra, that'll be Hotel Uniform Hotel.
Direct, yeah, Hotel Uniform Hotel, thank you, Golf Romeo Sierra.
77 Sierra, that traffic is kind of in the bay there on the southeast side of Orcas. No conflict for now, terminate radar service, you're cleared en route, see ya.
77 Sierra, thanks, yeah.
November 2 Bravo, just for the next couple of minutes, just like to keep it in close to the
November 7 Romeo Zulu, copy all, cleared visual approach, Santa Harbor Airport.
Skagit Regional Airport, automated weather observation 213, Niner Zulu. Wind 140 at Niner knots. Peak gust 14 knots. Wind variable between 100 and 160. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few at 4,100. Scattered at 7,000. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point 8 Celsius. Altimeter 3003 inches of mercury. Skagit Regional Airport, automated weather observation 213 Niner Zulu. Wind 140 at 8 knots. Peak gust 14 knots. Visibility more than
Friday over traffic, Cessna 534 for Kilo is turning right base for runway 16, Friday.
10. Sky condition, few at 4,100. Few at...
Do you want to fly over the house?
Sure, yeah, that would be fun.
Skagit traffic 80 Bravo, turning around.
Is your phone working?
Skagit.
Yes.
Do you want to try to call them and tell them we're coming?
Sure.
Skagit traffic 80 Bravo on final 11, Skagit.
Did they hear?
Don't know, I think it, might be. He said, I can that well, but if they're not here, then, still fly over, I think.
Do what?
I don't think there, but
Do you want to just go to the airport or do it?
I think we should still fly over.
Okay. There's an airplane right up there.
Skagit traffic 80 Bravo is downwind 11, Skagit. Skagit traffic, Bonanza 30X, about 2 miles to the south. We're going to cross midfield and join left-hand downwind traffic for runway 11, Skagit.
Skagit traffic, 80 Bravo, this is left base, 11, Skagit.
Do you see it?
Yes. Oh, somebody's out there. No, it's David and Hazel. I saw them waving.
Cool.
Skagit traffic, Bonanza 30X is turning on the downwind, runway 11, Skagit.
Zulu Bravo, clear 11.
Skagit traffic, Bonanza 30X is turning base, runway 11, Skagit. Skagit traffic, Bonanza 30X is turning final, runway 11, Skagit.
Skagit traffic, Cessna 770 is over the shoreline for the straight in runway 11, Skagit.
Skagit traffic, 80 Bravo is lining up for 11.
Skagit traffic, Bonanza 30X is cleared, 11.
traffic, 777 Sierra's mile final, runway 11, full stop, Skagit.
Skagit traffic, 80 Bravo is left, crosswind 11, Skagit. Skagit traffic, Cirrus 4 Tango Whiskey, 4 to the east, head for the left downwind for 11, Skagit.
Skagit traffic, 777 Sierra's clear, runway 11, Skagit.